Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to customize control center on iPhone 16. Let's begin. So all you want to do is you want to go to not even settings, but you simply want to expand your control center, and then you want to hit the plus icon at the top left corner. And in here, now we can not only rearrange the order of certain buttons, but we can also disable them completely. For example, we can do this, or we can add new ones. If we click here, add control, we can add basically anything we want here. As you can see, there is a lot of options to choose from. For example, I will choose the torch option. And as you can see now, my torch is right here. And then you can simply click off and leave it, and the changes are now saved. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.